Billcom app. The pros, the cons. Billcom app is a popular platform for automating accounts payable and receivable processes. Most people get this wrong if they think it only handles invoice payments. Billcom also helps manage approvals, vendor communications, and cash flow tracking. On the pro side, Billcom allows businesses to capture invoices, write approvals, and execute payments electronically. It integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSight, reducing manual entry and errors. Users also value features like recurring payments, automatic reminders, and detailed reporting that improves visibility into company finances. The mobile app makes it easy to approve and track payments on the go. On the con side, some users mention that advanced features and multi-entity management are only available in higher-tier plans. Small businesses may find the learning curve steep at first, especially when setting up approvals and integrations. In conclusion, Billcom app is a reliable solution for automating and workflows, improving accuracy, and increasing visibility into cash flow. Its integration capabilities and ease of use make it a top choice for finance teams looking to modernize their payment processes.